Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer Chick-Fil-A nuggets or air fryer crispy nuggets. These can be made gluten-free too. They can be made in your air fryer or your Ninja Foodi, either one. So the first thing we're going to need are 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast or chicken tenderloins cut into small chunks, 3/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup of dill pickle juice, and then 1 egg beaten, along with 1 cup of gluten-free or regular all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then some grapeseed oil spray. You will absolutely need oil spray for this recipe because that is how you're going to get these nuggets crispy. You need to be spraying it with grapeseed oil spray. You can use olive oil spray, but it is not as high heat. So in a Ziploc bag, you're going to add your milk, pickle juice, and egg along with your nuggets. So I'm going to get all that in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and seal this bag up and place it in the fridge for 4 hours. So I'm getting that all mixed in. And now that I've got it all ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and add the flour, salt, paprika, and ground pepper to another Ziploc bag. And so now I'm going to go ahead and grab my chicken, but I'm going to let the excess marinade just drip off that chicken, and then I'll add it to the bag with the flour mixture. So I'm getting all of my seasoning in there. I have seen recipes where they add a teaspoon or so of sugar. You could always do that too if you want to, just to give them a little bit of a sweet flavor. So I'm going to go ahead now and use tongs and pull my chicken out of the bag here, let it drip off a bit, and then place it into the floury bag. Once I've got it all in there, I'm going to seal that bag and then shake up that chicken to fully coat it. So I've used a little extra chicken, so I'm going to probably do this in a few batches. But you can see we're going to go ahead and keep putting that in here, and then I'll seal it and shake it. Now you want to have your air fryer basket coated with the grapeseed oil spray. And that's what I've done here. And then you're going to place your nuggets into the basket of the air fryer. Now you want to cook these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes and then check them and turn them over. Sometimes they do stick a little bit. So as you can see, these are floury looking. You have to use that grapeseed oil spray and coat them with lots of the oil. This is what gets rid of the floury coating there. So I'm going to be coating them with oil after I flipped them, which is what I'm doing here. And I think this is now my second batch. I did multiple batches here. So when they stick to the bottom, it's okay. Just kind of pull them off. If you give it a really good coat of grapeseed oil spray, the basket, you can usually get by without that happening. So after you're done cooking them, they need to be an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to be considered done. I usually like them closer to 175 degrees. And then you can coat them again with grapeseed oil spray, and that's how you get this brown crispy texture that you see in this picture. They've been coated with the oil spray. You're not going to have to deep fry them, but you do need that oil spray. So this is how you make air fryer Chick-fil-A nuggets or air fryer crispy nuggets. You can find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com and airfryerfanatics.com.